Rishikena Rishikesha Sevanam Bhakti Richat. Bhakti, this is the simple definition of bhakti. Rishikena, Rishik means the senses. As you have got hands, legs, eyes, ears, these are different senses. When you engage your senses only for the service of Krishna, then you become Bhakti. That's all. Your life is Bhakti. You simply see Krishna nicely decorated in the temple, that is Bhakti. You simply prepare foodstuff for Krishna, that is Bhakti. You simply chant the holy name of Krishna, that is Bhakti. In this way, we can utilize all the senses. We can utilize our hands in collecting flowers, in cleansing the temple. If you haven't got education, it doesn't require. Simply engage your senses. Rishikena Rishikesha Sevanam. You become perfect. You have got your senses. Engage the senses for the service of Krishna. Then you become perfect. Very nice thing. You don't require to become a very big philosopher, very rich man, very nicely educated. Nothing of this sort. Simply you have got your senses, engage the senses in the service of Krishna, your life is perfect.